Welcome everyone to this special MCQ series on UGC NET English Literature. This series is designed strictly according to the official UGC syllabus, with high-level, PYQ-based, and concept-trap questions that help you think like a NET examiner. Here, we don't just revise literature, we decode it, challenge it, and master it. First question. In the Fakir of Jungera, which character is central to the tragic love relationship with the Fakir? A. Nulini, B. Lakshmi, C. Gauri, D. Kamla. The right answer is option A. Nulini is the principal female character in the Fakir of Jungera, and her relationship with the Fakir forms the emotional center of the narrative. Next question. Which of the following correctly describes the basic conflict in the Fakir of Jungera? A. A conflict between an Indian prince and the British government. B. A tragic love story complicated by religious and social circumstances. C. A political struggle between two European nations. D. A conflict between industrial workers and factory owners. The right answer is option B. The poem develops a tragic romantic conflict involving the Fakir and Nulini within a setting shaped by religious and social tensions. Next question. Which of the following works is associated with the image of a silenced musical instrument? A. The Orphan Girl, B. The Harp of India, C. The Enchantress, D. The Golden Vase. The right answer is option B. The harp in the Harp of India symbolizes India's lost poetic and cultural voice. Next question. The phrase, "my native land," in Derosio's poetry is most directly connected with which theme? A. Colonial nostalgia for Britain, B. Indian patriotism and national consciousness, C. Religious conversion, D. Romantic love. The right answer is option B. The phrase expresses Derosio's emotional identification with India and his lament for the country's diminished glory. Next question. Which of the following is the most appropriate interpretation of the harp in the Harp of India? A. A symbol of India's military power, B. A symbol of India's poetic and cultural inspiration, C. A symbol of British political authority, D. A symbol of industrial modernization. The right answer is option B. The harp represents India's poetic creativity and cultural voice, which Derosio portrays as neglected and silent. Next question. Which publication contains Derosio's early collection of poems and is generally dated to 1827? A. Poems, B. The Fakir of Jungera, C. The Poetical Works of Henry Derosio, D. The Young Bengal Papers. The right answer is option A. Poems was Derosio's early poetry collection published in 1827. Next question. Which of the following is correctly matched with its date? A. Poems 1827, B. The Fakir of Jungera 1831, C. Academic Association 1835, D. Derosio's death 1828. The right answer is option A. Poems was published in 1827, The Fakir of Jungera in 1828, the Academic Association was founded in 1828, and Derosio died in 1831. Next question. Which pair is incorrectly matched? A. The Harp of India cultural decline, B. To India my native land patriotism, C. The Fakir of Jungera tragic romance, D. The Orphan Girl political history of Bengal. The right answer is option D. The Orphan Girl is concerned with suffering and abandonment rather than being a political history of Bengal. Next question. Which of the following best explains the importance of Derosio's use of Indian settings and subjects? A. It represents an early attempt to make English poetry speak directly to Indian experience. B. It shows his rejection of Indian culture. C. It demonstrates his exclusive dependence on Greek mythology. D. It indicates that he wanted to write only for British readers. The right answer is option A. Derosio's use of Indian subjects helped establish an early tradition of Indian English poetry rooted in the country's cultural and historical experience. Next question. Which of the following themes connects the Harp of India and To India my native land? A. Industrialization, B. Loss and recovery of Indian cultural identity, C. Comic treatment of marriage, D. Medieval chivalry. The right answer is option B. Both poems express anxiety over India's diminished cultural condition and preserve a longing for the recovery of its former glory. Next question. Consider the following statements about Derosio's poetry. It contains patriotic elements. It reflects romantic sensibility. It frequently engages with nature and emotion. It is completely detached from Indian cultural concerns. Which statements are correct? A. 1, 2 and 3 only, B. 1 and 4 only, C. 2 and 4 only, D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The right answer is option A. Derosio's poetry combines romantic sensibility with patriotism, nature, emotion, and Indian cultural consciousness. Next question. Which theme is particularly important in Derosio's treatment of the Indian past? A. Nostalgia combined with patriotic awakening. B. Complete rejection of history. C. Celebration of colonial domination. D. Escape into European fantasy. The right answer is option A. Derosio often recalls India's glorious past in order to generate patriotic feeling and awareness of its present condition. Next question. Which of the following combinations is most appropriate? A. The harp of India, symbol of poetic silence. B. The fakir of Junghiara, industrial labor. C. To India my native land, romantic courtship. D. The Orphan Girl, national political manifesto. The right answer is option A. The harp functions as a symbol of India's silenced poetic and cultural voice. Next question. Which statement best explains why Derosio is considered a pioneering figure in Indian English literature? A. He was the first Indian novelist to write in English. B. He combined English romantic poetic forms with Indian subjects, patriotism, and a spirit of intellectual freedom. C. He rejected Western literary influence entirely. D. He wrote primarily religious epics based on Sanskrit mythology. The right answer is option B. Derosio's pioneering importance lies in his adaptation of English romantic poetry to Indian subjects while expressing patriotism, cultural consciousness, rationalism, and intellectual freedom.